What's up guys? Panibagong araw, panibagong vlog tayo ngayon. AC47 TV at your service. For today's video, dito tayo ngayon sa ating piyesta ng Kainta. So ayan na, maraming nabibili dyan mga kapatid. Ayan na, walking muna tayo. At sa mga bagong napadpad po sa ating bagong munting channel, huwag po kalimutang mag-subscribe, like, at pindutin na rin ang notification bell para lagi po kayong updated sa mga bago nating videos. Natin simulan yan, intro.
A few moments later.
So ayan guys, ito naman yung mga suman na iba't ibang klase ng mga binebenta rito. Andito yan sa Rizal. At ito pa, ang dami guys. Ayan, mamili lang kayo dito. Ganyan po kadami ang nagtitinda dito. So ayan mga ka-AC, bagong lutong tupig. Ayan, ang bango. Nakakagutom habang tayo nag-walking mga kapatid. At meron din sila ditong bibingka.
Oh my God! Wow!
So ayan guys, tikman natin yung kanilang binibentang bibingka. Magkano ganyan boss? 75. 75 guys, order tayo ng isa.
A few moments later.
Then guys, may cheese yan. Hanggang mamayang gabi na lang yan.
Pero babalik po kami dito
Mga December 15. Alright, so nilagay na. At ito na. Wow. Boom. Galing.
Pwede na!
Ito na yung ating binili na bibingka. So ayan guys, haba ng pila. Alright. Kaya tayo ay dumiretso na. At meron naman tayong pagkain na dala-dala.
A few moments later.
So ayan guys, meron din tayong nadaanan dito na lechon ng baboy. Alright.
Ako'y mahututuwa na. Tama na, nahihilo na ako. Tama na.
So ayan guys, dito naman tayo bibili ng damit. No? Ang ganda naman, 80 ang isa, pero pag dalawa daw bibili natin ay 150 lang. So pipili lang tayo ng bagay sa atin guys. Ayan, ang nakuha natin ay yung sa unahan. Ayan, may discount pa to guys, 150 dalawa. Alright.
A few moments later.
So ayan na nga guys, ayan, dinumog na si ate dahil mura at magandang klase kasi mga cotton pa.
Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine, baby. You give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh,
A few moments later.
So ayan guys, nakakita tayo ng gagamitin natin sa pang ride. Pili na lang tayo kung anong magandang kulay. At meron pa dito sa taas. Ayan, saktong sakto, maganda, maayos naman siya guys. Ayan, pang ride natin.
Nice. life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.
So ayan guys, maraming salamat sa pagsama ngayong araw na to for today's video. Happy Fiesta po sa inyong lahat mga kapatid. At kung bago ka pa lang sa aking channel, huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe at pindutin na rin ang notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga bago nating videos.
Get an x-ray, what's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray.
So and guys, bago tayo uuwi, kakain muna tayo para may laman yung ating tiyan.